Air India flight crashed after dual-engine shutdown. Fuel cutoff occurred 7 seconds after takeoff. Both engines failed within a 1-second gap. Pilots denied cutting fuel, per cockpit recording. AIB report highlights alarming cockpit exchange. FAA warned of faulty fuel switch in 2018. Air India skipped inspection deemed non-mandatory. Aircraft had fuel control module changes in 2019-2023. No post-2023 defects in fuel switch were recorded. Cause still unclear, probe continues with FAA, NTSB. Crash timeline shows rapid loss of engine power. RAT deployed shortly after liftoff, footage shows. No bird activity near the plane's flight path. Aircraft lost altitude before crossing airport wall. Captain had 15,000 hours, copilot had 3,400 hours. MN4 microprocessor fault may be linked to crash. FAG alert in 2021 warned of ECU microchip risk. ECU manages fuel flow and engine control signals. Solder ball cracks may cause signal loss in flight. Failing ECU could lead to engine shutdown midair.